Welcome back, amazing viewers, to the next captivating episode of our number-based conversion series. If you've been with us, you've already mastered the art of converting from decimal numbers to binary, octal, and hexadecimal. In this installment, we're flipping the script. Get ready to explore the thrilling world of converting binary, octal, and hexadecimal numbers back into the decimal system. It's all part of our comprehensive journey through number bases. Let's kick off this leg of our series with binary to decimal conversion. You've seen how to go from decimal to binary, but now, we're taking binary digits and turning them into their decimal equivalents. Consider the binary number 110110. Each digit holds a place value based on powers of 2. Starting from the rightmost digit, we multiply each digit by the corresponding power of 2 and sum up the results. Working through the calculation, 1 into 2 to the power of 5, plus 1 into 2 to the power of 4, plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3, plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2, plus 1 into 2 to the power of 1, plus 0 into 2 to the power of 0 equals 54. Hence, the binary number 110110 translates to the decimal number 54. Next, we're turning our attention to octal to decimal conversion. Remember, octal numbers are based on powers of 8. Let's see how our octal values expand in the decimal realm. Imagine the octal number 456. Each digit represents a multiple of an increasing power of 8. Starting from the right, we multiply each digit by the respective power of 8 and add them up. Crunching the numbers, 4 into 8 to the power of 2, plus 5 into 8 to the power of 1, plus 6 into 8 to the power of 0 equals 302. So, the octal number 456 is equivalent to the decimal number 302. Our final destination in this journey is hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Hexadecimal numbers, with their base of 16, reveal their true decimal nature when we expand them. Let's work with the hexadecimal number 2A9. We'll apply the same principle, assigning powers of 16 to each digit, and add up the results. After the calculation, 2 into 16 to the power of 2, plus 10 into 16 to the power of 1, plus 9 into 16 to the power of 0 gives us 681. Therefore, the hexadecimal number 2A9 translates to the decimal number 681. Congratulations, intrepid learners! You've now experienced the thrilling process of converting binary, octal, and hexadecimal numbers back into the decimal universe. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to handle conversions in both directions with confidence. If this video illuminated your understanding, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Our number-based conversion series is an epic saga, and you won't want to miss a single episode. Until our next adventure, keep expanding your horizons and embracing the beauty of numbers.